Say hi.
Hi.
What are we making?
Bliss balls.
We're making Bliss balls today, and this is a really simple recipe for lunch boxes or on the go. Something at the supermarket I hate doing is when I go with the kids, I don't take anything with me, and then they're like, can we buy this? Can we buy that? And they just want to eat chips and stuff from the supermarket aisle. But this is so easy to make, and you're going to help us, aren't you? Okay, so what have we got?
Dates.
Dates. We've soaked them in water and we've just let them get soft and gooey enough to be able to stick everything together. And what's this?
Cocoa.
Cocoa, very good. I thought I was going to say chocolate. So there's cocoa and we've got...
Coconut.
Coconut, very good. I'm impressed. And this is like the main bulk of it, which is oat bran. Now, if you are gluten intolerant, you can get like a gluten-free oats or use something different, like rice. People can get rice crumbs. You can buy them now in the health food section, and you can use rice crumbs instead. Or you can use wheat germ, which I like using wheat germ because it actually bulks it up so nicely and it tastes like a bit of a cake. Now, we are going to process it until it's mixed together really well and sticky. Go. Off. Okay, so we had to add a touch of water because if it's too crummy, you need to add a touch of water until it's sticky enough to roll into a ball. But if it's too wet, you add a little bit more of your oat bran or your wheat germ, whatever you're using for your dry ingredients.
Can I roll some?
You can roll some because we washed our hands ready to roll. So now it looks like this. And we're going to roll it into little balls, and we've got some coconut here. I've got a clear little container. I'm going to throw it in the fridge because I always use clear containers so that I know what I've got in my fridge and the kids could see that it's a healthy treat. They can have it straight after a meal. And we'll just throw it into here, little balls, and then we'll mix them around. Can you mix them around? That's it. And can you put them in the container? There you go. So try our Bliss balls. We'll see you next time with a new recipe. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.